Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming just to kind of vlog a day in my life. I'm going to be doing some cleaning, some laundry, just getting organized, and then at the end I'm going to show you guys how I make my thumbnails because a ton of you guys have been asking how I make my thumbnails and all that. I literally just do it straight on my iPhone, so if you guys want to see how I do that, I think for the timestamp for my thumbnails, I'm just going to leave the timestamp in the description or in the comments. So if you guys just want to skip to that part, you're more than welcome to. I'm gonna put a poll, I think it's up here, or maybe it's up here. Maybe it's up here. I don't know, either side. If you guys prefer seeing vlogs or if you prefer seeing sit-down videos, let me know by voting on the poll. I'm not sure where it is. That would really help me out to see what you guys are more interested in. First, my bed isn't made in the background because I'm about to just like strip my sheets and throw them into the wash. So yeah, roll the montage. So obviously my laundry is in now, and now I'm just going to go around and just clean all the surfaces in my room, and then do just wipe my mirrors with like Clorox, not Clorox, like wipe my mirrors with Windex, and then use like this Clorox disinfecting spray. And I'm gonna do that while I listen to podcast. This is just the Mood with Lauren Elizabeth podcast. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and listen to that and clean my room.
Ryan Little.
So I'm now finished cleaning my room. I'm so warm. It's like a workout. Yeah, so as you saw, I did the surfaces, I did the mirrors. I didn't show myself vacuuming, but I vacuumed, and then I did like the, I don't know what you'd call it. It's like a floor spray. It just like makes your floors cleaner, and it like has a nice smell, so it makes my room smell really clean and fresh. I'm all about a clean space and all of that. But now I'm just waiting for my sheets to finish up in the wash, and then I'm gonna move those over to the dryer, and then I'm gonna put my blanket in the wash. But I think while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to wash my makeup brushes because those definitely don't get cleaned as much as they should. And I just keep watching people's videos right now, and everybody seems to be washing their makeup brushes. So I'm like, that is a perfect idea. Yeah, so we're gonna go into the bathroom and do that. Okay, so this is the setup for washing my brushes. So this little thing I got on Amazon. It was featured in my Amazon like favorites, the products you should buy from Amazon, this little guy. And then I just use dish soap. This definitely, I'm saying definitely, isn't the best thing to use because think like you're putting this on your skin, but that's all I have. If you guys have like a good brush cleaner, definitely link that down below. Definitely need to like find one of these, but these are all my brushes, and now we're just gonna go through and wash all of them.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating all the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause
Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I make my thumbnails on my phone. I moved over, so I'm going to put a screen recording here. I'm going to try. And also, if the lighting is really weird right now, the sun keeps going in and out, so just kind of bear with me. So I'm going to start the screen recording on my phone. First thing I do is just go into my editing apps here, and I click over. And, okay, let's start. Okay, so I'll go and I'll click white, and then I'll scroll all the way over until I get to thumbnail. Just super helpful because it gets you like the perfect dimensions and everything. Then you want to click image. So I've just gone and I've favorited 2 images, totally random in my camera roll. Obviously, like, you wouldn't really put these together for a thumbnail, but I'm just trying to show you how I would do it. So we're just gonna put this picture of the boat here, check mark. That's all good. And then we're gonna go and we're gonna put this selfie, and we're just gonna put those side by side. If you wanna do like 4 photos, if you wanna do more, totally, obviously, but that is just how I do my collages. So I'll just save that. And then I go to Fonto, I think is how you say it. So then I go here and I'll click this. I'll click done. I don't want to filter. And this app is how I add my text. So I want to add text, obviously, and let's say we're gonna do, what's this video called? This video is going to be called actually I like doing all lowercase, how I make my thumbnails. So the app is already set into the font that I personally always use. I use Helvetica New Bold Italic, just the one I always use for my thumbnails. So I click done, and then what I want to do is I want to click style, and I want to do a stroke. So just click stroke, the black, you can make it however thin or thick you want. Actually, let's make it a bit thicker. You can obviously like change the color of this too. And then my favorite part is you want to go to curve. And this is basically how I curve the text. Let's make it smaller so you can see better. Okay. So curve, like how I make my thumbnails. You could put it at the top here, and you can curve it down. Sometimes, like, if you make it too curved, it just looks weird. So obviously it's personal preference. So that is how it looks there, and then I'm just gonna save that. And then as the last step, I'm gonna go to Pixar, and Pixar is just how you can really add the finishing touch. And like I said in my how to make a successful YouTube channel, how to start a successful YouTube channel, you always wanna make sure your thumbnails are like super, super cool. So here we go, and I like using stickers. For these, you can literally go in and find anything. So I personally like finding stars. I think it just adds like a really cute look, even if we use, I don't know how this is gonna look. Kind of cool. Like, you can just, I love this because I play around for so long until I find something that I like. So just for example, you guys can do whatever you want, but these are just the apps and stuff that I use. And it was like Stars Aesthetic, I think. I just want to move it, and then you can go to border, and that's how I put the border around them, which makes them stand out more. And then that is your final thumbnail, and it just looks so much better and so much more clickable than it was in the beginning. So yeah, that's just how I added my thumbnails. So I think I'm gonna just end my video here for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. The lighting is still crazy. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, definitely subscribe. And if you have any other videos you'd like to see in the future, definitely leave them down below. All of my socials and all of that are down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!